Hey, Melody, Roberta, thank you for clicking on my video today. And today, before we get started, I just want to say a little bit about myself. I love doing what I do. I love helping people to help grow their business. And you grow, I grow. And in a nutshell, that's basically it. So, with that being said, let's get to it. So, I typed in Farmington, New Mexico Garden Nurseries. Now, what pops up is these top two here. So let's look into a little bit into your competitor, San Juan Nursery. And their site looks okay. I mean, it's got some pictures and whatnot. It's got a little bit of content here, which is all okay. But mainly what Google looks for is content. So let's go ahead and dive into that. Let's check and see what kind of content that they have. Mm, mm, mm. Let's see how many words they got. Okay, they got 251 words. Now, Google loves, like we mentioned earlier, 1500 to 2000. They love that. So that's what will help you rank up there as far as content goes. So we can blow these guys out of the water if we just added 500 words. So I mean, it would get you up there in rank. And also as well, when you look at the photos that they have, now if you got photos and they're not saved properly on here, Google looks for that as well. So they and okay, that one was saved properly. Let's see. Let's look at another one. Let's look at this one. That one was. Nope, and this one was not saved. So all of them were not saved. There's a couple that were. This one was not saved properly. So, I mean, as long as you save things properly, then you'll be okay. Next thing I want to talk about is backlinks. Now, Google looks for trustworthy backlinks and trustworthy sites tied to yours. So, again, we want to look at basically what trustworthy sites and whatnot. We have a tool called Ahrefs that I purchased, and I mean, anybody can buy this. And it just basically tells you how trustworthy the site is, how strong it is. So this is your strength here on a scale of 100. Here's trustworthiness. And it's got 107 backlinks, backlinking to sanjuannurseries.com. And I mean, all we got to do is backlink 200 of those pages and definitely beat them. But as far as backlink goes, organic keywords is what you want. They have 551 organics. So all these keywords are tied to their page. And we have access to all these keywords. It tells you what volume it is, how easy it is to rank up there with like black snake plant. That's got a 500, excuse me, 500 search volume. It's got a 2 on there, which is easy to rank for. And it's just got different keywords that we can use to tie into your site. So in a nutshell, that's pretty much backlinks for you. The third thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, not all not all citations are created equal as well. Now, if you look, let's see what. Let me tell you guys real quick on what citation really is. And it's like a phone book. So when you Google your business up here, your it'll show up here. So that's basically what citations will do for you. Um, Obviously, San Juan Nurseries, they're ranking up here on the number 2 spot, and they're also ranking up here as well on the map pack. So they just added, say they added 30 photos in here, and you add 40, you'll outrank them. So you could end up bumping them to here. just with photos and different content. So if they didn't fill out the content all the way, or have you not, then it just takes a little bit of research and to help rank them up here. So I mean, but yeah, Melody and Roberta, thank you so much for listening to my video, taking the time out of your day, and I really appreciate that. And if you'd like to hire me someday to help make this happen for you, just shoot me a email or call, and my phone number is 505-331-7995, and my email is scenic spark, SEO, @gmail.com. Scenic spark, SEO, @gmail.com. Thank you, and you both have a blessed day. Bye bye.